Oftentimes when people are considering whether to use a will-based or trust-based plan for their estate planning needs, they don't consider that a trust-based plan allows for additional protections against possible lawsuits, not only for you, but for your heirs. Let me explain. Let's imagine for a moment that you're a doctor with a medical practice and you're worried about malpractice litigation. And you have a 21-year-old daughter and you're concerned she may do something young and reckless like text while drive and rear into someone or possibly even hit someone in a crosswalk. And let's also imagine you have an older son who's approaching 30, graduating from medical school himself, and he's about to enter a world that may be fraught with litigation as well. How do we protect each of those family members and your hard-won assets from frivolous litigation? Let's talk about it. Trust-based plans allow us to pour your assets into what we call the trust bucket. You're still holding on to it and controlling your assets just like you do right now. But the trust provides a legal shield of your assets and it protects them from lawsuits and litigation. For professionals like doctors who struggle with malpractice litigation, for texting teens and young adults who may hit someone in a crosswalk or rear end someone while driving, this is all too common. Let's protect those assets with a trust-based plan. Let me also share you a story that you probably never heard of, but that is spoken of and commented on when I attend estate planning and elder law legal education conferences. Ted Kennedy, when he ran off the bridge at Chappaquiddick in the early 80s and a young woman died, that victim's family sued Ted Kennedy for the wrong that was committed. His assets were in a trust, and his inherited assets from his family were in a trust. They were shielded from that litigation. Let's get your assets properly protected, so when you face a frivolous lawsuit, unlike the Kennedy lawsuit, they're properly protected not only for you, but for the next generation. I look forward to meeting with you and discussing how trust-based plans can protect you and your family from frivolous lawsuits.